Katha! The Brahmin and the Cobra. In a small village, there lived a poor Brahmin named Haridat. Despite his hard work as a farmer, the small piece of land he tilled barely provided enough for him to survive. Each day was a struggle, but Haridat was determined and never lost hope. One scorching summer day, Haridat found himself exhausted from working under the relentless sun. Seeking relief, he decided to rest under a large tree on his land. As he approached the shade, his eyes caught sight of a huge cobra swaying gracefully near an anthill, its hood spread wide. The cobra's majestic presence struck him, and he felt a sense of reverence. Haridat thought to himself, "This cobra must be the guardian of this land, perhaps even the goddess herself. I have never offered her my prayers, which might be why my corpse yields so little. From today onwards, I shall worship her." With a newfound sense of purpose, Haridat hurried back to his village. He returned with a glass full of milk and poured it into a bowl. Approaching the anthill, he respectfully said, "O guardian of this land, I did not know you reside here. Please forgive me for not paying my respects earlier. Accept this humble offering as a token of my devotion." He placed the bowl of milk at the anthill and quietly left. The next morning, before the sun had fully risen, Haridat visited the anthill again. To his amazement, he found a shiny gold coin in the bowl where he had placed the milk. Overjoyed, he realized that his offering had been accepted. From that day onwards, Haridat made it a daily ritual to offer milk to the cobra and in return receive a gold coin. From that day onwards, Haridat made it a daily ritual to offer milk to the cobra and in return receive a gold coin. One day, Haridat had to travel to a neighboring village for some business. He instructed his son to continue the daily ritual in his absence. The next morning, his son went to the anthill, offered the milk, and was delighted to find a gold coin. However, a greedy thought crossed his mind. "This anthill must be filled with gold. If I kill the cobra, I can take all the gold at once, instead of coming here every day." Blinded by greed, he struck the cobra with a heavy stick. But the cobra, swift and agile, dodged the blow and bit the boy with his venomous fangs. The boy fell to the ground lifeless. When Haridat returned the following day, he was heartbroken to hear of his son's tragic fate. He immediately understood that greed has led to this misfortune. Despite his grief, he decided to visit the cobra at the anthill. With a heavy heart, he offered the usual bowl of milk. The cobra, however, did not come out from within the anthill. The cobra spoke in a sorrowful voice. "Haridat, you have come seeking gold, forgetting that you have lost your son and are still mourning? Your son's greed led him to strike me, and in self-defense I bit him. Our bond was built on respect, but it has been broken by greed and violence. I cannot forget the blow, just as you cannot forget the loss of your son. As a final gesture, I leave you this diamond, but our relationship ends here. Do not return." That a brilliant diamond appeared near the anthill. Haridat took it with trembling hands, realizing the painful truth that excessive greed can only bring sorrow. So, what is the moral of today's story? Greed is a dangerous path that leads to loss and suffering. I'll see you in the next story. Bye bye.